What's up, guys? It's Sloppy. Well, guess what's in the house finally? Yes, the MSI Gaming Trio X RTX 3080. Finally got it. Let's get into this, man. Take a look at the box itself. I'm trying to zoom in for you guys. I thought I'd do a funky stove version. I'm going to show you everything about it. Looks cool, right? So excited for this card, man. Been a while. Been battling to get it. I'll put all the specs on there. You guys already know it all, you know. I still got 2 pre-ordered, so I'm going to give one away. So be watching out how you're going to win one. All right. So that's the box itself. Here is the top. There is the top of it. All right, let's get into it and see how it is. All right, guys, here it is out of the box. You get your MSI pamphlet. I've seen this a million times. Probably get a map of something in there. Now you get a thank you MSI product. And you also get a support bracket, how to install it, which is comes with this card because it's mammoth. And a MSI Gamers Creators, probably all their different things you can get, their motherboards, etc., etc. And how to upgrade your PC with a new graphics card. Interesting. How do you do it? That's the question. And a booklet, and that's what you're going to get. Quick user's guide. Pretty cool. You just scan it and do that. Here's the cover. Pretty much what I've seen with the RTX 2080 Ti. And here is the bad boy in all its glory. A couple of pads. I'm not exactly sure what that does. We'll have to look into that. This is definitely the support bracket. So you get the support bracket to hold it in place. It just prevents sagging. And with that said, that seems heavy, man. Here is the bad boy, all in its glory. All right, guys, I took the bracket out. I want to show you exactly what it looks like so you know what it looks like. All right, that's the bracket. You're obviously going to screw it in, and it would sit on there like that to help prevent any kind of sagging. All right, guys, here is the back of it. Just want to show you what it looks like. Is with the POS caps, that type of issue. I think it was driver related, you know. This is how they released it, though. Here it is. Looking pretty cool. It's monstrous, man. 3 8-pin connectors. You don't get crazier than that, my friends. That is just ludicrous. So, there is the RGB that it has. And here is the actual unit itself. Pretty cool looking, right? Really nice look to it. You know, I fell in love with the Trio X 2080 Ti. So for me, this was a no-brainer, you know, upgrading to this one. I love it. I mean, I would have got any card. You can see how incredibly beefy the heatsink is. Just crazy. Right? Huge card, man. Just like the 2080 Ti. Absolute beast. Let's go down to the ports. You got 3 DisplayPort, 1 HDMI. All right, so that's what you're going to get on the ports. See if there's anything else really to show you. Just a mammoth card, man. It's just huge. It's heavy too, man. This is no joke at all. And there it is. Exciting, man. Finally get this damn card. It's great. This thing is a beast, man. And that's what we expect. We want a beast. Here is the end. All right, all the other specs I'll put online. And that's it. That's the card in a nutshell. Let's get it into the computer and see what it does. There it is in the case, man. This thing is a big boy, man. Holy cow. I thought the 2080 Ti was big. This thing is a monster. Absolute freaking monster. Give you a shot underneath. Getting a little reflection on the glass. And then there it is on top. So there it is in the case. Looking good, man. The card's a monster. Let's get ready to bench this bad boy and see what it can do.